Welcome to another IT tech support video. My name is Efren, the marketer, and today I'm going to show you how to create a menu bar on your WordPress website. As you see here on the right hand side of my screen, you do see home, about, press, and contact. So how do you add that or create that? So first step is log on to your WordPress website. Once you're logged on, you're going to go ahead and hover on top of your name or your website or dashboard, and you're going to hit Theme Customizer. And once it goes to the Theme Customizer, you're going to have some options on the left hand side. You're going to scroll all the way down to where it says menus. You click on menu, and then you're going to have different types of menus if you have one created. If you do not have a menu created and there's nothing up here, you might want to create a new menu, and then you can set it if you want this menu to be your primary menu, secondary menu, and footer. In this case, we're just going to go ahead and go off by the menu I already have. And if you're going to add a menu, or if you created a menu, you're not going to see these here, so you do have to add them by clicking Add Item. And then you're going to be able to add from pages, posts, projects, products, categories, tags, or anything here if you have anything in WooCommerce. So as right now, you do see my home, about, press, or contact. I can add the shop page. And as you can tell, it added the shop tab on the right hand side. Or if you want to remove an item, you just click on the little arrow down, click remove, and then you'll see it has removed it. Once you do your edits or create the menu, you're going to go ahead and click publish. Once you hit publish, just log out of there, and you're going to see the menu you created on the top right. This is how you create a menu on WordPress. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please go ahead and give it a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to check out our sponsors, hostthenerd.com, and we'll see you next time.
Do you need hosting for your new business website? Host the Nerd is the best website hosting service. Host the Nerd allows unlimited storage for your website, unlimited visits per month, and an SSL certificate automatically installed. This will also include website backup protection and an automatic daily malware scan. This premium hosting is only $28.89 a month from your favorite hosting service. Host the Nerd.